Good morning, students. Welcome back again in your GK virtual class. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 36 and chapter number 42. At first, we are in chapter number 36, that is Children Book Authors. Here we can see that few book names are given. You have to identify the author of that books. So in this white box, you just write the name of the authors of that books. At first, in serial number 1. So here Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs and Cinderella is the name of the books. You have to identify the author. The authors are the German brothers Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm. Those are famous for their collection of folk tales and their pioneering work in linguistics. In serial number 2, Hans Christian Andersen was a Danish author, best known for writing children's stories including The Little Mermaid and The Ugly Duckling. In serial number 6, here two books' names are given. Horton Hears a Who, The Cat in the Hat. So in these books, the author was Theodor Swiss Giesel. He is better known by his pen name Dr. Swiss. He was also a writer and renowned cartoonist. Next, we are going to serial number 3, that is Aesop Fables. In serial number 3, Aesop Fables or the Aesopica is a collection of fables credited to Aesop, a slave and storyteller believed to have lived in ancient Greece between 620 and 564 BCE. The Lion and the Mouse, The Baby Who Cried Wolf are the most popular fables among 725 fables. Next, serial number 4, that is The Blue Umbrella, is a short fiction written by Ruskin Bond. It's a simple and short story of kindness and humanity. So most of the stories in Ruskin Bond is connected to hilly areas. The Room of the Roof, Delhi is Not Far are the other stories written by Ruskin Bond. In serial number 5, the famous 5, the Noddy series are the series of children adventure novels written by English author Enid Blyton. Next we are going to chapter number 42, that is book characters. Here we first discuss serial number 1, Swami. The character Swami is from Malgudi Days, written by R.K. Narayanan. His real name is Manjunath Nayakar, but he is better known as Master Manjunath, who played Swami. After 28 years, the Malgudi boy is also grown up and now he is a public relation consultant in Bengaluru. He is also a father to a 5-year-old son. Next, serial number 2 is Alice. Alice is a fictional character and protagonist of Lewis Carroll's. Protagonist means chief actor. That is children novel Alice Adventures in Wonderland and is satisfying sequel through the Looking Glass and the Alice Found There. In serial number 3, Mowgli. Mowgli is also a fictional character and the protagonist of Rudyard Kipling, the Jungle Book stories. Mowgli is the main character in the book taken from his village by Shere Khan, the tiger. He escapes and runs into a cave where a wolf family lived. He deeply loves his wolf family and his own. Mowgli is a good, strong leader who honors the jungle law and respects the jungle traditions. In serial number 4, Gulliver. Lemuel Gulliver is the main character of the story Gulliver Travels, written by Jonathan Swift. It is a story where Gulliver born in the family of a poor nobleman in Nottingham, England. After that, he was professionally become a doctor and also be a quality man. He loves to travel in order to know about other people, customs and civilization. Now Cinderella. Cinderella's real name is Ella, that is Mary Beth Ella. Cinderella is 19 years old with medium length, strawberry blondie hair, blue eyes and fair complexion. The story of Cinderella is a well-known fairy tale that children are told from a young age. Next, number 6, Harry Potter. Harry James Potter is the main character in J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter fantasy series. The books cover 7 years in the life of the orphan who on his 11th birthday listens he is a wizard and the son of a magical parents Lily and James Potter. Harry Potter's second book is Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, and the last appearance is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. So here in all aspect Rowling has only maintained that Harry is a suitable real life role model for children. Next, serial number 7, Tom Sawyer. Thomas Tom Sawyer, based in the young Samuel Clemens, is a cunning and playful boy of about 12 years of age and the protagonist of the story, the character created by Mark Twain in his book The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. He also appears in 3 other novels, Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, Tom Sawyer Aboard and Tom Sawyer Detective. Next, in serial number 8, Noddy. Noddy is a fictional character, a wooden man who lives in Toyland, created by English children author Enid Blyton, originally published between 1949 and 1963. At last, we are going to serial number 9, that is Snow White. Snow White is also a fictional character and the main character from Walt Disney production. First animated feature film Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. The character of Snow White was derived from a fairy tale known from many countries in Europe by the Brothers Grimm. And here students, I already mentioned the answers. Hopefully enjoying the class. Next we will meet you soon.